Conditional statements help us make decisions in our programs by executing different blocks of code based on conditions. This is an example of basic if statement. Let's explore an if block and write some code. Here, we use an if statement to check if the condition is true, and the corresponding block of code is executed. The elif keyword allows us to check additional conditions, while else runs if none of the conditions are true. Loops let us repeat a block of code multiple times. Python has two types of loops: for loops, for iterating over sequences, and while loops, for repeating code as long as a condition is true. In a for loop, we iterate over a sequence like a list or a range of numbers. Let's create a list of fruits and print each fruit by using a for loop that will print each fruit line by line. This is another way to use for loop, where we can use range to set a range for the loop to repeat itself a certain number of times. The while loop keeps running as long as the condition is true. In this example, we use a countdown with a while loop. Be careful when using while loops to ensure the condition eventually becomes false. Otherwise, you might create an infinite loop. You've just learned how to use conditional statements and loops to control the flow of your programs. These tools are essential for solving real-world problems. Please share and like this video and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss my future videos.